Okay, so this is just going to be a reading of the food webs card and the abiotic and biotic factors. So if you need a little bit of help with reading. So food webs are diagrams that show the flow of energy among organisms. Arrows show the direction in which energy flows. Energy from the sun is collected by plants, so plants are usually the first part of a food web. Study the food web on the left. The green plant has three arrows coming from it. Energy from the green plant goes to the mouse, rabbit, and goat. Energy from the mouse goes to the snake, owl, and wildcat. Do you notice that jackals get their energy from goats and rabbits? Jackals' predators are lions. We can make predictions based on changes to ecosystems. For example, if a disease cut the goat population in half, we may see an increase in green plants because goats are no longer eating them. Jackals and lions would have fewer energy sources, so we might see a decrease in their populations. All right, now I'm going to read abiotic and biotic factors. In an ecosystem, there are many interactions among living and non living things. Living things such as plants, bacteria, and animals are referred to as biotic. Non living things such as oxygen, water, soil, and sunlight are referred to as abiotic. Let's look at an example of how abiotic and biotic factors affect koalas. Native to Australia, koalas spend most of their lives in eucalyptus trees, sleeping and eating. Trees are biotic, so they are alive. Koalas rely on eucalyptus trees for both the habitat and energy. Mother koalas carry their babies in their pouches for about 6 months. Babies rely on their mothers. Koalas mainly get water from the eucalyptus leaves. So a source of fresh water is not as important, but is still an abiotic factor that can affect koalas. Koalas need oxygen to breathe. Water and oxygen are abiotic factors that affect koalas.